Hello, dear students. I welcome you to my channel, and this will be lecture 2 on application of integrals. And today we are going to solve some important questions from the text as well as from JEE Mains. Okay, and please watch the video completely and try to solve the questions by yourself, and then you compare the answers. Okay, and this is the first. In the last video we solved up to question number 9 from exercise 1 of application of integral, and this is question number 10, and this is also a very important questions. Okay, and find the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y, right, which is a parabola, open up parabola. So this is x square is equal to 4y, and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. So I have just drawn the graph of the parabola, open up parabola, and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. Okay, fine. And what you need to find out, we need to find out the area bounded by the line and the curve. So obviously the area bounded by the line and the curve is this one. Okay. Now the most important point is that what is the point of intersection between the line and the curve? So which we are going to solve this. We are just going to solve x square is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2. So given here the curve is x square is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2. So we are going to solve this, okay, to get the point of intersection A and B. So this solution part, this is very simple. We'll just solve this one. You can just mark this as 1 and 2. Okay, from 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. That we'll just eliminate x is equal to 4y minus 2. So you can replace x by 4y minus 2 square, and this is 4y. Fine, equal. Okay, next. So just expand this. If we expand, this is 16y squared minus 4 to the 8 into 2, 16y plus 4 equal to 4y. Next we'll transpose 4y this side. So this gives us 16y squared. Okay, 16 minus 16y, 4y if you transpose, 20y plus 4 equal to 0. So just divide this one by 4. If we divide, so it will be 4y squared minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we need to factorize this. Okay, 4y squared minus 5y plus 1. So 5y you can minus 5y you can write as minus 4y minus 1. So these are the simple steps. All of you know this. So we'll just factorize this. If we factorize, what are we going to get? We'll just get 4y minus 1 and y minus 1 equal to 0. So we'll get these factors, right? And if we therefore this is 4y minus 1 equal to 0 or y minus 1 equal to 0. So this implies y equal to 1 comma 1 by 4. So you got the value of y equal to 1 and 1 by 4. So now based on the value of 1 and 1 by 4, we are going to get the value of x. So x is given as x is equal to 4y minus 2. So can write the steps here, right? So here x is equal to 4y minus 2. Now if we substitute y equal to 1, right? If y equal to 1, right, then x will be equal to, if you substitute 4 minus 2, it will be equal to 2. So x will be equal to 2. Fine. And if you substitute y, this is y equal to 1 by 4, y equal to 1 by 4. Right? If we substitute y equal to 1 by 4, 4 will cancel out. So it will be x is equal to 1 minus 2. So x is equal to minus 1. So you got the value of the points A and B. So you can just mark this. What is the B point? Right? The x equal to 2, y equal to 1. So it's 2 comma 1. Right? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Now what is A? Here x is equal to minus 1 and 1 by 4. So we can write the coordinate x. A coordinate is minus 1, 1 by 4. Now we'll just draw coordinate. We'll draw coordinate from this, from A and B. Yes. Now rest this, you need to integrate. So how will you integrate? So you integrate from this point to this point. What's the x coordinate of A? X coordinate is minus 1. And what is the x coordinate of B? X coordinate of B is 2. So we'll integrate from minus 1 to 2. right? And if you integrate from -1 to 2 bounded by this line, then you will get the whole area, this portion, along with you are going to get this portion also, this portion, right? And but we need only this shaded portions, that is green colored shaded portions. So we'll just first integrate from -1 to 2 bounded by the line. From there we are just going to subtract the area bounded by this parabola, that is below the parabola, which is okay, these portions, that colored print, right? And we'll integrate from the same limits, that is from -1 to 2. So we can just write the shaded portion as like that. Okay. We can just required area, you can write required area. Okay. You can write required area, right? It's from you integrate from -1 to 2, that is -1 to 2. Okay. Y dx, then minus, you are going to subtract again, you will integrate from same limits, -1 to 2, -1 to 2 y dx. Now most important is this 2y. So this y dx means that is bounded by the first integral you are going to get from -1 to 2 bounded by the line. So just can write yl. Again this portion you are subtracting, which is bounded by this parabola. So from -1 to 2 you can just write yp. This yp stands for the parabola. Okay. Now what is left out? Only we need to integrate. So it is equal to -1 to 2 y line. What is the value of y? That is x is equal to 4y minus 2. Right? From there you can just write the value of 4y equal to x plus 2, and y value is 1 by 4. Right? Y value is 1 by 4. X plus 2. Find dx minus 1 to 2. Y p, that is parabola. Y value will be x squared by 4. Fine. So now just we are going to integrate this. As you have seen, for both the integrals, the limit goes from -1 to 2. -1 to 2. So we can just write only one integral, that is -1 to 2. That is 1 by 4 x plus 2. And you can combine both the integrals, it's minus x squared by 4 dx. So this method will help us to solve these questions in least number of steps, right? So we can just simplify next this way. We can take 1 by 4 common, that is -1 to, okay, -1 to 2. So this x plus 2 minus x squared dx. Okay, we are going to integrate now. If you integrate, this is 1 by 4. So we'll just integrate x. What is the integration of x? X is x squared by 2. Then plus 2. Then 2 into dx. Dx integration is x. Then x squared integration is x cubed by 3. Then it's from -1 to 2. Right? Next, 1 by 4. So we'll substitute the value of 2 first. 2, if we substitute 2, that is 2 squared by 2 plus 2 into 2, 4, right? Then minus 2 cubed by 3, that is 8 by 3. Right? This is minus 8 by 3. Then minus, you can just substitute that -1. This is, if you substitute -1 squared, it's plus 1 by 2, and if you substitute x minus, so it will be -2 and minus. If you substitute -1 cube is minus, this another minus, so it will be plus 1 by 3. Right? Okay. I hope you are following these steps. Okay. Mostly the steps are very simple. Okay. It has got certain steps. Okay. But okay, the question is very simple. So it's 2 squared by 2. So it's 2 plus 4, and I'll leave it like that, minus 8 by 3. And if you subtract, this is minus half, and this is plus 2, this is minus 1 by 3. Only simplification is left out. Just you can quickly simplify and get the answer. Okay, get the answer by yourself. This is 1 by 4. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8. We'll just combine this value together. 2, 4, 2. Then the fractions, if you take a minus out, and this is 3, 2, 3. So we'll take the LCM, 3, 2, and 3. These three terms. We are going to combine all the terms. Okay, with a minus sign, you can take minus out, right? It will be as this is 6. Okay, 6, and if you multiply, it will be 16. Right? It's 2, so it will be 3. And you have taken LCM 6, so it will be 2. Fine. So 3, 2, 3. So if you multiply it to the 16, then 2 will be 3. And since 6 is the LCM, so this 1 will be 2. Now it's 1 by 4, 8 minus 6. And if you add this, okay, 16 and 3 plus 2, 5. So it's 21, right? 21. Now, 1 by 4, so 8. So you can cancel this. If you cancel this, okay, 3, 7, right? 3, 2. Right? It's 7 by 2. If you cancel this, 3 7s and 3 2. So it's 1 by 4 and 2, 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7, that is 9. Right? So, and if you just multiply, this is 9 by 8. So which is the answer for this question. Okay, and I hope you could follow the steps. Then we will just move to our next questions. That find the area of the region bounded by y is equal to x squared and y is equal to mod x. So quickly, as very simple questions, and quickly we'll draw the graph. And if we draw the graph, then from the graph itself you can get the answer. Okay? First, we'll draw the graph y is equal to x squared. So it's an open up parabola. Okay, you can just write the steps. Given curve, okay, y is equal to x squared and the line y is equal to x or y is equal to minus x. Because y is equal to mod x can be written as y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. So this is already you have drawn the graph. This is y is equal to x squared. Now we'll draw the line y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x, and we know that this is y is equal to x line, and similarly we'll just draw this, and we know that, right, this is y is equal to minus x line. Now what you have to, which portion you need to calculate, we need to determine. Find the area of the region bounded by y is equal to x squared, bounded by, in between, that means bounded by the lines and the curve. So we're just going to determine this portion as well as these portions. Okay, and what is the advantage of this graph is that this portion, what you are going to calculate, determine, is symmetrical about this y-axis. So you don't need to calculate, you don't need to determine the value of both the portions. You need to determine one portion and you can just multiply by 2. So we are going to calculate this. For this, you need to know about this point, that is point of intersection. So if you mark this point as A, this point, and if you mark this point B, let us see the point of intersection. Okay. Anyway, we are just going to calculate the area in the first quadrant, so we may not calculate the value of B. We'll just calculate A. That means we'll just find the point of intersection between y(x) square and y is equal to x. Fine. So though we can just already calculate from this graph y is equal to x, y is equal to x square. We can plot the point, but still you can just write the steps like that. Okay, and y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. If you solve this, so replace y value, y is equal to x. This is x square. Fine. So if you solve this is x minus 1 equal to 0. So you get x equal to 0, x equal to 1. So you got the value of, okay, that means this one will intersect at 0 and 1. So definitely the point x coordinate of this point is 1. And if you substitute, since this is lying on the line y is equal to x, so x and y coordinate will be same. So it's 1, 1. So you got the point 1, 1. So from there you draw an ordinate, right? So how to determine this shaded portion in the first quadrant? So you can determine the area that first you integrate from this point. This is okay 0, and x coordinate of this is what? 1. So you'll integrate from 0 to 1. First you will integrate from 0 to 1 bounded by this line, right? And if you integrate from 0 to 1, then you are going to get the portions, that you are going to get the whole triangle. This triangle, the whole triangle you are going to get. But actually we need only this shaded portions. So therefore from that area you need to subtract this portions. This portion I'll just mark with different color. This portion you need to subtract. And this portion is bounded by, right? This portion is bounded by this parabola. So what I am going to do is, we'll integrate from 0 to 1 and bounded by the line. From there you will subtract the integration from 0 to 1 and with respect to the parabola y is equal to x squared. So you can just write required area. Okay, required area, that is 0 to 1 y dx. 0 to 1 y dx, that is y means line. Okay, minus 0 to 1 y, that is parabola. Okay, and we know that 0 to this particular, this is, you can just mark it, this is A, B, and you can mark it C. That means OCA, right? These portions we are going to get with the help of these integrations, which is triangle. So you can directly find the area of this portion with the help of the half into base into height formula. So what you can directly write is half into base into height. So what is this length? This is 1 and this is also 1. So we can calculate half into base into height, right? So equally for this case integration also very simple, or you can directly write the area of the triangle with the help of the half into base into height. Next, minus 0 to 1 y parabola. So y is equal to x squared, this is x squared dx. Fine, a very simple questions, right? And next, so it's half minus, if you integrate, this is x cubed by 3, okay, and 0 to 1, 0 to 1, this is equal to half minus, this is 1 by 3, you are going to get, that is 1 by 6. Half minus 1 by 3, it's 1 by 6. But if you calculate this, so this will give you only this portions, right? Therefore, the total area, okay, you need to calculate this area also, and since this is symmetrical about y-axis, so you need to multiply this one by 2, that is 2 1 by 6, so which is equal to 1 by 3, right? So initially when you find this area, so if you multiply by 2, then directly you can get, or first you can find the area in the first quadrant, you can multiply by 2 at the last also. Therefore total area is 2 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. Next we'll just move to our next question, right? The area bounded by the curve y is equal to root x and twice y minus x plus 3 equal to 0, x-axis lying in the first quadrant, right? So these are questions that from JEE Mains 2013. Right? The area bounded by the curve. So you need to draw the graph y is equal to root x and the line twice y minus x plus 3 equal to 0. First we'll draw this y is equal to root x, and remember this, bounded by x-axis lying in the first quadrant. So first we'll draw the graph. Okay. Now this is y is equal to root x, which is a parabola, and it's already mentioned that it is in the first quadrant. So if you can draw in the first quadrant, it's alright. We'll draw the graph in the first quadrant. So this is a parabola, that's y is equal to root x, right? Given curve, you can just write that y is equal to root x, fine, and the line is 2y minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Then we'll draw the line, okay, And if we draw the line, you can just do the rough work to draw the line. Okay, and if we just consider say y equal to 0, fine. If we consider y equal to 0, say y equal to 0. If y equal to 0, then minus x plus 3, that means x equal to 3. So you got a point, right? You got a point, that is this is 3 comma 0. Say assume that this is 3 comma 0. Say this is 3 comma 0. Say this is p, 3 comma 0. Fine, 3 comma 0. Then next if we take x equal to 0, if you put x equal to 0, right? So it will be twice y is equal to minus 3, then y is equal to minus 3 by 2. We'll get y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So for x equal to 0, y equal to minus 3 by 2. So assuming that this is minus 3 by 2. Fine. We'll assume that this is minus 3 by 2. And then we'll draw the line. Fine. We'll draw the line now. Okay, and we can fine. So we can extend this. Now next, most important is that a point of intersection between the line and the parabola. Okay. Right, the line and the parabola. So say this point is, right, say this point is A. This point is A. We can extend this line. We can extend this line. We'll solve these equations now. If we solve these equations, right, I'll just write this options, that is 9, B is 36, C is 18, and D is 27 by 4. D is 27 by 4. Right? D is 27 by 4. We'll solve this. Right? And this is okay, 2y plus 3, and you can transpose x this side, this is x. Fine. Now, if y is equal to root x, what is the value of x? Twice root x equal to y, so x will be equal to y squared. Fine. So we replace the value of x from these equations. That is y is equal to root x. Now we'll just solve this. This is y squared minus twice y minus 3 equal to 0. So if you solve this, okay, y squared, so we'll just minus 3y plus y minus 3 equal to 0, and this implies y minus 3, then y plus 1 equal to 0. So if you solve this, therefore y will be equal to 3 and minus 1. So this minus 1 is not important for us because we know that we are going to determine the area in the first quadrant. So for us, the most important point is y equal to 3. Now if y equal to 3, right, y equal to 3, then we can just calculate the value of x from the line. So what is the equation? What is the line? Right? Line is given as twice y plus 3 equal to. So we'll just write the equation of the line. The equation of the line is twice y minus x plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. Fine. Now in case y equal to 3, if you substitute y equal to 3 there, so what is the value of x? So if y equal to 3, you substitute y equal to 3 then, so it will be 6 minus x plus 3 equal to 0. This gives you x equal to 9. So you got the value of x equal to 9. Right? So this is x equal to 9, this point, we'll mark this point. Okay, x equal to 9 and 3, y equal to 3. That is most important. And then what you need to do is, okay, you draw an ordinate, right? And when you just, this is P, you can just write this is Q. This is Q. And okay, and to solve these questions, right, especially for the J, like most important is just quickly draw the rough sketch and then start solving. Okay, and now which portion you need to calculate? You need to calculate this portions that is bounded by this and this line and x-axis. So I'll just mark the portions. So we are going to calculate these portions. So how do you calculate this? So we can just quickly start integrating. So area of the shaded portions. Area of the shaded portion, right? So this is 0. We'll just start integrating from 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9, and bounded by this parabola. Okay, bounded by this parabola, that is y equal to root x, y p dx, parabola minus. So if you integrate from 0 to this, you know, like you are going to get the whole portion, this portion, including the triangle you are going to get, which is actually we don't need. So from this integrations, we need to subtract the area of the triangle. This one, this triangle you need to subtract. Now to subtract this, right, you can integrate, right, you can integrate, or you can directly find the area of this triangle with the help of the half into base into height. So we'll just find the area of the triangle. We'll subtract area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, that is PQ, this point. So this we'll just can take it. This is A. Fine. PQA. PQA. Area of this triangle. PQA. Now 0 to 9. Now y. Okay. What is the value of y? And equation of this is y equal to root x. So replace this is root x dx minus area of the triangle. The area of P, you can just write area of the triangle PQA. What is a half into base? Base means this length. The whole length is 9, but you are starting from 3, so it will be 6. 6. What is the height? Height is equal to 3. So if you multiply 3. So now what is the integration? This is x to the power 3 by 2 and multiplied by 2 by 3. And this is 0 to 9 and minus this is 9. Fine. Okay, next 2 by 3. This is x to the power 3 by 2. That is 9 to the power 3 by 2. 9 to the power 3 by 2 minus 9. So what is 9 to the power 3 by 2? 9 can be written as 3 squared. So it's 3 cubed. That is 2 by 3 into 27 minus 9. Fine. So next, you can cancel, right? 18 minus 9 is equal to 9, right? Which is option A. Fine. So this is our answer for this first extra questions, right? Just you can move to the next question then. Yes. There is one more important question that we are going to discuss. The area of the region described by, right? Okay. Area of the region described by A is equal to xy. That is x squared plus y squared less than equal to 1, and y squared is less than 1 minus x. And options are given, right? So this is also from J mains. Okay. Now most important is that we need to draw this. This is x squared plus y squared less than equal to 1. This means we'll just first draw the circle x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. We'll draw this, right? And if we draw this, okay, we can just move to our next page. Fine. Okay. Right. So what is this circle? X squared plus y squared equal to 1. Right? X squared plus y squared is equal to 1. And next, fine. What is the right? What is the other equations? Other curve is y squared less than equal to 1 minus x. Fine. y squared okay, y squared less than 1 minus x, right? So which is the parabola? So we'll just start with this. Given curves x squared plus y squared is equal to 1, and we'll consider this y squared is equal to 1 minus x. First, equating with 1, right? Equating x squared plus y squared is equal to 1, and equating y squared equal to 1 minus x. We are going to draw the graph. And after that, we'll, with the help of the inequality, we'll decide that which portion you are going to determine the area. Okay, first this one is done, then y squared is equal to 1 minus x. So we know that which is a parabola. So, so if you draw this parabola, next parabola, okay, and it, for you know, like for x equal to 0, this y squared is equal to 1. That means y value will be plus or minus 1 for x equal to 0. This for x equal to 0, this is y squared is equal to 1. So this will give us y is equal to plus 1 or minus 1. You can draw the parabola. So it will be along the negative x-axis. Fine. So this is the parabola. Okay, this is a parabola, and we'll just write the equations. Equation of this curve is y squared is equal to 1 minus x. Fine, y squared is equal to 1 minus x. Now we are going to decide. What we are going to decide is this. What is given? That x squared plus y squared less than or equal to 1, and y squared less than or equal to 1 minus x. Okay, based on that, what is the inequality given? It's given that x squared plus y squared less than or equal to 1, and this is y squared less than or equal to 1 minus x. So therefore, this inequality x squared plus y squared less than or equal to 1 gives us the area inside the circle, right? Inside the circle, that means this circle. Fine. And this one, y squared less than or equal to 1 minus x. This portions, this inequality gives us the area this side. So we'll shed the common region. The common region will be this. So area will be, okay, along the focus for this parabola y squared less than or equal to 1 minus x. Fine. Now this portion we are going to calculate the area. Now to calculate this area, like if you see this figure properly, okay, this portion, this particular portion, this is half circle. Okay, this half circle, this half circle. You don't need to use any integration. Directly you can get the area. What is this? Is the area of the semicircle. Done. So only right. Only you need to concern about these portions, right? This the portions lying in this quadrant. Fine. Okay. So we'll just calculate these portions only. Right, and this one will be area of the semicircle. What is the radius of this circle? This is x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. So radius is 1. So we can find the area, that required area. Okay. We can find out the area of the semicircle. Fine. Okay. Area of the semicircle, area of the semicircle plus, okay, area of the semicircle plus we'll integrate this, right? If we integrate, so we'll integrate from, we can integrate, that is from 0 to 1. We can integrate from 0 to 1, and if we integrate from 0 to 1, and we can just find out these portions, and both are symmetrical about the x-axis. We can just find out the area in the first quadrant. You can multiply by 2. Okay, 0 to 1, and this is because this coordinate is 1, 0. The radius being 1, right? 1, 0, 0 to 1, then and bounded by this. That is y p dx, and you can just multiply by 2. Because why you are multiplying by 2? Because if you can determine the area in the first quadrant, you can multiply by 2. Thereby you will get the area of these portions, and already you are getting the area in the area of the semicircle, right? This is area of the semicircle. Now what is the area of the semicircle? The area of the circle is pi r square, right? here r equal to 1. This means area of this whole circle is pi. The area of the half circle, that is semicircle, will be pi by 2. So you got this portion. This is pi by 2. Fine. Now let's do. This is yp, y parabola, 2, 0 to 1, y parabola. Correct? Parabola equation is this. That is y is under root 1 minus x dx. You need to only calculate this. That is 2 into 0 to 1 under root 1 minus x dx. So now if we integrate this is pi by 2 plus 2. So we'll integrate this. This is 1 minus x to the power half. So it's exactly same as integration of root x. So what is integration of root x? Actually called 3 by 2. So it will be 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. But since the coefficient of x is minus, right, minus 1, so this will be multiplied by minus. That is minus, right? And this is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Right? So this is root x integrations, that is actually called 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, and this minus x that is in place of x, this one x, 1 minus x is there. So if you consider that 1 minus x is x, you can just solve this with the algorithm substitution. You can directly solve this. So 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, then the coefficient of x is minus 1, so multiply this one by minus 1. So it's pi by 2 plus, so it will be 4 by 3, fine. And then we'll put the limit. If you substitute 1, right, this if you substitute 1, so its minus is there. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just multiply by minus sign. This minus, fine, it's 4 by 3. Okay, I'll just take minus out. Right, if I substitute 1, so it will be 0, then minus. If I substitute 0, right, it will be 1. Fine. So finally, this is pi by 2 and minus plus 4 by 3. This is pi by 2 plus 4 by 3. Okay, and this is the answer for this particular question. Okay, and I hope you can just check the options. Okay, pi by 2 plus 4 by 3. So it's given option 1, right? So option 1, right, is correct. That is pi by 2 plus 4 by 3. Now, these are the questions today we have discussed, and this is from today onwards. I'll just keep some questions for you, okay, to carry, and so that you can just try at home. And I'm just finding these questions are quite interesting and very important, right? And this is a very simple questions that find the area bounded by y is equal to mod log e mod x and y equal to 0. And this is also a very important question, that is J 2015, right? And this is for you, right? And I'll be again we'll just coming with the next video on application of integrals, because then it's coming up the next exercise, and the next exercise also has got from the NCERT has got many important questions. And but you please try to solve these questions, and in case if you have any requests, so you can just write in the comment section, and you can just write about this also in the comment section. And if you have a specific query, you do please write in, and I'll just respond to you. That directly I'll respond to you. Individually I'll respond to you. Okay, this is my promise. And thank you so much for watching my video. And in case if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and share the videos. Okay, and thank you so much. And we'll see you soon, and with another important video on this particular topic. Thank you so much.